The Magic Garden. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a little girl named Lily. Lily had big, curious eyes and a heart full of wonder. Every day after school, she would rush to her favorite spot in the village, a small garden at the edge of the forest. This garden was no ordinary garden. It was filled with flowers of every color imaginable. But what made it truly magical was that each flower had its own special power. There were roses that could heal wounds, daisies that could make you laugh, and sunflowers that could bring sunshine on a cloudy day. Lily loved spending time in the garden, talking to the flowers, and learning about their powers. One day, as she was admiring a beautiful lily, the flower whispered to her, "I have a special gift just for you, Lily." Excitedly, Lily watched as the lily began to glow with a soft, golden light. Suddenly, a tiny fairy emerged from the petals. She had shimmering wings and a mischievous twinkle in her eyes. "I am Petal, the guardian of this garden," the fairy announced, "and I have been waiting for someone like you, Lily, someone with a kind heart and a spirit full of adventure." From that day on, Lily and Petal became the best of friends. Together, they explored every corner of the magical garden, meeting new flowers and discovering their powers. And whenever someone in the village needed help, Lily would pluck a flower from the garden and use its magic to make things right. As the seasons changed and years went by, the garden flourished, and so did Lily's friendship with Petal. And though she grew older, Lily never forgot the magic she had discovered in that little garden at the edge of the forest. For in the heart of every child who believes in magic, there will always be a garden waiting to be explored, filled with wonders beyond imagination.